today's event is about celebrating what Africa has done, what's the progress it has in terms of development, in terms of reaching out, actually coming up with a story to tell people, what is this? Why should they take part and engage? And with that, the OneQuantum Africa chapter is presenting the OneQuantum or Africa's Quantum Strides. And I'll just give you perhaps what's the mission and the goal of OneQuantum. So we're not only interested in people who are just from the sciences or tech enthusiasts, but even from the average person, the farmer from a local village. What does it mean for them? A lot of, it's fun enough that this continent actually is the youngest people, but also this continent has a large number of people using smartphones. But then can we program on those? I think those are one discussion. How can we then make things from what we're using to actually taking advantage of this new technology. So OneQuantum is just come, all of you, whether you're industry, whether you're government, let's collaborate, share ideas in order to see this technology being adopted here. So we have, of course, your local chapters. From the north, up there, we have Abdul, the Libyan chapter president. We also have Lorraine from the south and across all countries in Africa. Another nice thing is that the global organization OneQuantum has your career fairs and mentoring. For example, now there's a database where you're connected to industries that actually develop the hardware. People also, as some I term them as quantum consultants, who actually are working closely with sectors that will be ready to adopt these technologies. So whether you want to become a researcher or get involved in there, you can, of course, via our network with OneQuantum. And then these are our lovely presidents from the continent. I'm sure you're aware there's newsletters and subscriptions from each, where you can get updated on the local news around quantum. And then, and a key thing which I think we have had as a chapter is that we have had a range of speakers. We have had local, international guests from academia, research, who are able to actually demystify some of the things we don't know about quantum, what it actually means for us, at what stage is quantum in the world, so that we can make that comparison with the continent at large. Some of them have familiar faces that you may know. Okay. So as I said, today, we just have an awesome panel, right, all from the continent, who will actually share what progress has been made. They think where the stage we are in terms of quantum. How can we involve business, entrepreneurs, anyone who has an idea to actually move and see that the continent adapts this? What is necessary or what is needed by us? What can we do, those small little things? And two of the panelists actually work closely in South Africa with the IBM research lab there. And they've conducted a challenge where everyone in the continent could participate in solving almost like a real problem in quantum, from your farming perspective to your computing perspective, and actually drug development perspective. So to hear more from them, as well as how how is government actually able, how are we able to bring government on board with this? With that, thanks very much.